We're going to go over smartphone travel hacks. So what we'll discuss today is what are travel hacks, using travel apps, and smartphone travel hacks. So some fun facts are that more than 70% of US travelers report that they consistently use their smartphones while traveling. It's even reported that more than 87% of US travelers have checked or posted on social media while on vacation. So what are travel hacks? Travel hacks, the term refers to tips and strategies that simplify and enhance traveling. These tips are primarily used to help people save money, reduce stress, and save time. So travel hacks also help with accurate navigation, language assistance, booking hotels and restaurants, and enhancing safety. So using travel apps. A must-have for your phone whilst traveling is having a good travel app. And travel apps are a great way to stay organized, offering a convenient place to keep all your travel plans. Travel apps will keep track of your day-to-day activities, get real-time notifications for flight times, weather, and more. It'll compare prices across different hotels, flights, and other travel services. It'll also keep all of your travel plans organized in one easy place. So a good example of travel apps for smartphones is Airbnb. They will provide excellent deals on hotels and rental homes. They also provide flexible checkout times, allowing guests to arrive early or leave late without any concerns. Airbnb is a free app available on all mobile devices. Another example of a good travel app for smartphones is TripAdvisor. They browse reviews and find restaurants and activities recommended by other users. They also create an itinerary that highlights events, dining options, attractions, and more all on one page. They also get recommendations for great, cheap travel destinations. TripAdvisor is a free app available on all mobile devices as well. And another good travel app for smartphones is Google Maps. So they offer instant navigation support, providing the best routes and live updates to help you avoid traffic. They also find popular tourist areas and see live reviews from users who have visited, accesses contact details and addresses for businesses, shops, restaurants, and more. Google Maps is a free app available on all mobile devices as well. So smartphone travel hacks. You can utilize various small tips or hacks on your smartphone to make your travel experience smoother. Smartphone hacks for Android and Apple. Android users can add a widget to their home screen. Consider adding a widget of your local time from back home while out on vacation. All phones have a built-in SOS feature. Enable it and set up emergency contacts to ensure your safety while traveling. Also takes photos or scan copies of important documents like passports, visas, and ID cards and securely stores them on your phone. Some more hacks for iPhone users. Make sure to activate the Find My iPhone feature, which helps you locate your device if it gets lost. Use Apple Pay or Google Pay, depending on your smartphone, to make payments easily. Add your debit or credit card information for seamless transactions in shops/stores. So if possible, download entertainment on your device to have something to pass the time during a flight, long road trip, or other travel periods. These were just a few tips that you can use to make your vacation more organized and enjoyable. So that's the end of the presentation. Thank you. If you'd like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.org or call 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session. We also host weekly tech and drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursdays.